Welcome to 300 Mannington Drive in Morrisville, a beautifully refreshed 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome with a 1-car garage that is perfectly situated near all that RTP has to offer. Step inside to discover thoughtful updates throughout, including brand new LVP flooring, plush carpet, and fresh paint from flooring to ceiling. The open concept layout flows seamlessly through spacious living and dining areas, leading to a bright modern kitchen and out to a private patio with an attached storage room. Upstairs, you'll find a convenient laundry area, 2 generous secondary bedrooms, and a relaxing primary suite featuring vaulted ceilings, a tiled ensuite bath, and double vanity with a large walk-in closet. This move-in ready home combines comfort, style, and unbeatable location. Message me today to schedule a private showing.